Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how we can make a single switch on off control in Siemens PLC S7-200. So let's get started. I will open my step 7 micro software, and here I will take one push button address. I will give I0.0, and next I will take one in bit logic pulse output, because of when I give the signal at I0.0, it will be generate many pulses to the any increment data, but I need a one time single pulse to the uh, any increment data. And here I will take the increment INC. I can take this one INCW. I will take, no problem. That's and address I will give, for example, MW0, and move also I will take MW0, and in next row I will take one more close contact of I0.2, and move instruction I will take, sorry, not here, from here we will go to the move section, and here I will take this one move instruction, and this I0.2 I can take, no problem, and that MW0 I will move in MW10. So when increment comes at the MW0, after this MW0 moves in the MW10. So what will be happen in next row, we will take compare instruction. This section we will go, and this we will take this compare instruction MW10 when equal with 1. For example, I will make output any which you want, for example Q0.0 I will choose. This will be main relay which I like to make the on and off control, and in next I will take one equal and greater than command. That's one. This I will take MW10 when greater than 2, for example. So I will choose the move instruction, go to the move section here, and I will move 0 into MW0. So let's try this program. Download to the PLC, and let's check our program will be work or not work. It's now successfully download to the PLC. Zero error, zero warning, and click OK, and make the simulation on. So now we will check our pulses are generate upside the increment of the MW0 or not. So this is our main relay Q0.0. In hardware already I connected I0.0 to my push button, which is I like to make one single push on off. First push I will make this, you can see this is the single push. Now our Q0.0 is on, and when I push the second push after, you can see our Q0.0 is now off. Again I will press the I0.0. You can see our Q0.0 is on. Again I will push the I0.0 and Q0.0 is off. So this is the easiest method to the make single switch on off control in Siemens PLC. Hope guys you will be like my trick and tips in the Siemens PLC S7-200. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So see, again I will make this one. Second push, it will be off. Again push on, again push off. So I hope guys you will be understand about this logic. If you not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. I will again scroll I0.0 when we make increment at MW0 data register, and after this MW0 data register we will move in MW10 data register, or any data register you can choose here. This not any punctuality. MW0 you have to be choose, you can choose another data register, and after this MW10 data register will be equal or greater equal with 1, we need to on our relay, and when is equal with 2, after we need to be move 0 value into our this MW0 data register. Can see this I will use 0 when means second signal comes at the MW10. After this 2 signals will be completed, and after M0 moves in the MW0. So after relay will be successfully on and off with the single switch. No need two push buttons. We can make it on and off control by any motor. For example, if you like to make it on off with the control, so single push button you can use only for on and off control. Two buttons, no need to be start and stop like to be used. Just only use the single button, and after you can start stop your motor control can be make. So hope guys you will be like in this video and understand. If you not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.